Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will talk about a VS Code extension which is useful to highlight comments while you program. So there are different kinds of comments which are supported by this extension. You can just see on your screen. So you can even customize the color combination of these comments. You can underline them, you can strike through them. So different shades of comments are there. So the extension name is better comments. So if you go to the extensions tab and just search for this extension, which is better comments. So if you just write this, the very first extension which comes, this is actually the extension right here, 7.6 million downloads. So this is actually the extension and it is developed by Aaron Bond, and you just need to click the install button to actually install this extension. So once it is installed, it will be globally installed inside VS Code. So now to get started, you can be inside any file, any programming file. So what do you need to do? Let's suppose I written some kind of code right here. So we define a JavaScript function which adds two numbers. So now we need to add some comments to this code. So we can do right here like this. So this is actually a basic comment that you have inside programming. In JavaScript, it is highlighted by green color. But using this extension, better comments, it do offers different kinds of comments. So one such comment is the question mark. If you do this, the color will change right here to blue color. So based upon, this is actually called an info comment. This is a blue comment, and now if you want to highlight something using a alert statement, so you can have a this comment right here, which is exclamation mark, and now this is the color is changed to red color. So this is, you can be adding two numbers. So this is all comments, it is just the color has been changed. So all these are comments right here. So this is the alert comment, this is the info comment, and the third one is actually, if I define, let's suppose another function which actually does the subtraction and return a minus b. And if I want to highlight this, there is a third type of comment which is the strike through comment. So four slashes and then this will change. You will see a line will be drawn. So this comment is actually, if you want to hide something inside your code, this comment can be used. So you will actually see a strike through line has been made, and so if you just want to hide something inside the code, then you can use this kind of comment. So based upon your need, you need to select which kind of comment. And the fourth type of comment is this one, underline comment. So if you want to underline something while commenting out, you can use this underline. You can even customize the colors as well. I will show you later on how to customize the colors. You can choose your own favorite color, just provide the hexadecimal code. And then the fifth type is this one, star. This is actually the green comment. So you can see five types of comments are there. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. And now you can actually change the settings as well. So here you have a shortcut here, Control Alt Control Shift P. If you just type this combination on the keyboard, so this preferences menu will open, and here you can select open user settings JSON file, and here you can control the settings about this plugin. So I have given the code here in the video description. So you just need to paste this code. So once you paste this code like this, so you will be having these properties here. This is the better comments tags here. So for each tag here, for each comment, we define this which tag you want to use. You can even customize this as well. So here we are using this actual tag here for the particular comment that you want to use. Then we define the color of the comment. So here I already told you, you can customize it by changing the hexadecimal color of the comment. And then there are various properties here. If you want to underline, change the background color as well. So if you do want to provide a background color, let's suppose I want to provide black color as the background, so I will say 000. So once you make the change right here, if you now so after you make the change here, you do need to restart VS Code. So what you need to do, so after you make the change, simply close it and reopen the VS Code. So after you restart your VS Code, it will activate the extensions, and now you will actually see the black background has been added. You can see that. So this is a great extension. You can customize the look and feel of the comments right here. You can change these properties, strike through, underline. You can customize background color. You can make your comments bold. There is a italic property as well. So by default it is set to false. You can even change true. If you want to bold your comments, you can make it true. So I have given this code in the description of this video. You can find those. And if you want to basically make a new comment, you can just copy this, paste it, and here you need to change the tag here. So which tag you want to use while making the comment. So let's suppose I provide K key here, K tag. So again, if you make the change, you do need to restart. So when you restart it, usually takes some time, about 5 to 6 seconds. So you can now see all the comments are being bold. So it is actually highlighted properly right here. So I personally use this extension for the comments. It actually highlights your code better, and you can customize the look and feel of the comments as well. By having this background color inside the comment, it usually makes the code more readable. So I think it's a must extension in VS Code. You should definitely install it. Let me show you the extension right here, better comments. This is actually the extension. So just install this. This is actually the extension. 7 million downloads are there. So you can customize. You can see I just so this was the extension. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com. So this actually contains thousands of free tools related to image, video, and audio. So do check this as well, and I will be seeing you in the next video.